Grandma, today my teacher tell us about Wadu. She said, Wudu is a crucial step in Islamic prayer and it involves specific actions and steps to ensure physical and spiritual cleanliness. First, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Begin with reciting Bismillah to invoke the name of Allah. Second, wash your hands. Start by washing your hands up to your wrists 3 times. Third, rinse your mouth. Take a small amount of water in your right hand, swish it around in your mouth, and then spit it out. Do this 3 times. Fourth, clean your nose. Sniff water in your nostrils and then blow it out. Do this 3 times. Fifth, wash your face. Use both hands to wash your face from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Repeat this 3 times. Sixth, wash your arms. Start with the right arm, washing it from the fingertips up to and including the elbow. And then do the same for the left arm. Repeat this 3 times for each arm. Seventh, wipe your head. Wet your hands and then wipe your head, starting from the front and moving toward the back. And then bring your hands back to the front. Do this once. Eighth, wipe your ears. Use your wet index fingers to wipe the inside and outside of your ears. Do this once. Ninth, wash your feet. Start with the right foot, washing it up to and including the ankle. And then do the same for the left foot. Repeat this 3 times for each foot. Grandma, do you like it? Yes, my child, you learn a good thing.